Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to apply Amazon ICICI credit card using my tips and tricks, and you can receive within a 15 days such kind of credit card in your home. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your Amazon application. So I simply search here. This is an Amazon application. So here search options are available. You just simply search here as a credit card. First option is come here, Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. You just simply click here, tap on that word, and here complete your application. You always save 5,000 rupees, no cost of EMI, lifetime free credit card, protect ICICI visa system. Very simple process. Enter your detail, complete KYC, get card and enjoy reward. So simply complete your profile. So click the complete the profile, and here opening credit card related information within a second. You just simply add here your Aadhaar card and PAN card, and then done. Complete this one. So here I am receiving one OTP, and you type here your name, middle name, your last name, your phone number, your date of birth, male, female, marital status, email address, enter your mother name, family reference detail, brother name, father name or any other person name, his mobile number, agent ID if someone are agent in bank, and then continue. Then put it your address here. Properly add your address. Aurangabad, Maharashtra automatically comes. The about is same. The address is same in your Aadhaar card. So yes. Select your delivery address for this card. So I just select here residence of mine. So now here as a KYC point of view, I need to upload two documents, at least 1 year income tax return, and complete the income details. Like here I am uploading here income tax report and this income certificates, means salary slip and all. Now I upload here one of the document. I just simply uploaded this one, second one as a demo point of view, and then here next submit the document. As a submit the document point of view, schedule your KYC. As thank you Sangram Singh, applying for application under the process. We executive visit and connecting point of view, schedule the KYC. As KYC point of view, as a zero per payment the charges, schedule the KYC. As a KYC point of view, you need to provide as a proof of address like Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID card, PAN card, including 5-6 you need to 1 documents as per requirement. And here simply schedule the appointment. As a schedule the appointment point of view, they directly calling you or log in your Amazon ID, login, and then as a select user ID, someone are come in your address, and then collect those information or check properly the person are living in this particular address or not. It's very simple, and the person are come within 8 days. In between 8 days the qualify, and then submit those information, and then you receive after 15 days your credit card. It's very simple process. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.